auditions. Some people love them, some people hate them, some people are indifferent about them. But today we're going to talk about auditions, how to make them fun. By the way, this also applies to any interview or interaction. Take it away, Mini-Me. As a child, I realized I had a gift. I see people without their doubts or fears as the fully expanded future versions of themselves. Our future selves whisper messages. I hear them, and you can too. Welcome to the Creative Whisperer. You chose to walk into that audition. This is your time. Enjoy it. And it's not just auditions. You know, my mother loves Christmas. She's gotten better at it through the years, but oh my God, she stresses so much and she controls every moment that it's an excruciating experience for everybody involved, including her, or it used to be. She truly has gotten better at it. And so we can take something that could be so wonderful and we can strangle the life right out of it sometimes. Why do we do that? Remember, it's supposed to be fun. Find the fun in this audition and make that the point of the audition. Make connecting with another human being the point of the audition. Make discovering something new the point of the audition. For more information about our online and in-person workshops, or if you'd like to have me come to speak to your group, contact me at the link below. See you soon.